welcome back, fans. Rob's Random Stuff here. Today we're gonna do flank steak on the flat top. Just been like a 24-hour marinade. Basically just garlic, salt, pepper, tiny bit of olive oil. I'm gonna get this going on the grill. Get the oil around. Got the grill pretty hot right now. 261 Celsius, about 500 Fahrenheit. Just gonna get this going real quick. When it's hot, we're gonna get a nice sear on this thing. That's our sample piece. I really want to get that on there. Also got the bacon press. I'm going to put that on. That's probably get it going on both sides. Yeah, it's 300. Been there for 10 minutes or so. So we're going to let that kick up. Got to get these potatoes going right away. Little oil. These are marinated in garlic, salt, pepper, olive oil, some vinegar infused with garlic, just some white vinegar with garlic, and an unknown ingredient for potatoes on the grill. Woo. Basil, fresh, of course. Got this going here. Gonna get a nice fry on those. And get some butter. Not too much. Throw that in the mix. What we're going to do is cover those up. Get some heat in there, steam, cook them through. You hear that sizzle? We're going to keep this on there. Good 5 minutes or so on each side. Medium rare to medium. You don't like things too undercooked here. Yep, that's hot. Do a little temperature check again. 244 Celsius. Yeah, call it 500. 450 to 500, depending on the hot spots on the grill. You got everything. Medium low, all the way across. I had this thing cranked up on high. It's a very windy day here. Again, 55 degrees. 15 to 20 mile an hour gusts. So we're gonna let this sizzle away. We'll check on the potatoes in a minute. While we're waiting here, gotta introduce our special guest like usual. Today's special guest, Delicious Brew by Neshaminy Creek Brewing, Croydon, Pennsylvania. County Line IPA, 6.6 ABV. Really cool can. And I gotta tell you, delicious. Yeti, keep things cold. Have a quick look at what this bacon press is doing. Multifunctional. Look at that. Get it hot, you cook on the top and the bottom. Keep that, probably weighs 2 pounds. Keep that on there. Nice sear. I'm gonna flip this over real quick. This is gonna be done for our test piece. Make sure it tastes delicious. That won't take long. Put this a little more over here. Just have a quick peek at the potatoes. Looking good already. Wow. smell coming off here. It's amazing. And we don't want to burn them. We do want to get the steam in there. Spread them out so they're all making contact with the grill. Keep that heat in. Get those cooked through rapidly. Alright, I guess we'll cut away for a minute here. The reason it's staring at a boring video of a steak sizzling. Some people like that, but in any case, we'll be back in a minute or two. We'll flip that over. See the great sear. We'll flip over the potatoes and check you in a second. Alright, I'm going to check these potatoes. Look at that. Smell that basil. Really, really good. They're not going to take too much longer. Basically just a fried potato, just like you would get at the diner. Whatever. Nice crust on the outside. The smell coming off these potatoes is really good. I turned those down pretty good to low because everything was too hot. Let's lift this up. Let's get a close-up of what we're looking like. And get a little oil. That is the way you want your meat to look. Seared up. Give that a good press and get that all the way down. Nice sear on there. Let's try this out here. Probably gonna burn my mouth. You can see how good this looks already. Definitely overdone, but woo! That's really good. Wow. Pretty good if I do say so myself. I'm gonna go one step further and get this cooking. These potatoes are almost done. I'm just gonna tent that. Actually, we'll try this temp. Nah, it doesn't work. We'll use this one. Again, I just use cheapy lids, Amazon. Nothing crazy. Dirt cheap, like $6. I'm gonna try one of these things in a second here. I'm gonna leave these uncovered for a minute because I think they're pretty close to being done. I don't want to burn them. Get that steak sizzle. Let's try this. Ow, it's hot. I gotta tell you, basil, secret ingredient. Not playing games here. Really, really good. Just spread these out. They're 3/4 of the way done. I think we'll get a little nuts here. Add a little more butter. Not too much. Recover. Sizzle. Very good. That's what you want. That color. Exactly what you want. Super crust, locking those flavors. Keep it juicy on the inside. We're just shooting for basically medium. Nothing crazy. You don't like it too red here. Just in the middle. I'm not going to use this fork anymore because it is now contaminated with the raw meat. Just stick to our clean spatulas. I'm gonna have a little sippy here. It's good beer. Alright, let's do a little temperature check. This thing's a little wonky. There we go. 211 Celsius. See that? Call it 400. This is really low over here, so it's 300. About 185. I'm just gonna let that sizzle up there. You really want that on low. You know, the burnt potatoes. A little steam in the heat. It's gonna crisp up real nice. Alright. We're gonna do a plating in a minute here. We're gonna let this sizzle up for maybe 2 more minutes. And we'll plate it up. Alright. Plating time. See how these potatoes look. Really good. I'm gonna plate these up. Try to get them on the plate. Looking good. Yeah, let's try this one. Perfect. Big reveal for the steak. We'll just flip it just for fun. How I tell you, just do this. Basically for a medium, light fist. Feel this right here. Feels the same. You're the solid medium. Alright folks, Camp Chef FTG600, delicious steak, potatoes, I'm not getting that anywhere else but on a flat top. Like, subscribe, I'd appreciate it. I'm gonna let this meat rest for at least 10 minutes, let the juices be absorbing themselves, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.